So we've all been in the situation where you go into the fridge, open the Veggie Crisper, and you have limp silver beet or brown cauliflower. Don't throw them away, because today we're gonna make my Veggie Crisper Fritter with poached eggs. So first we're gonna start off with some onions. Just one brown onion, sliced up. Now, I also have some of this leftover salad mix. So I'm just gonna put a couple of handfuls of that in there. Cauliflower. I just need to slice it up and into the bowl. Sweet potato, and we're just gonna grate it. Skin and all, keep those nutrients in there. Our sad silver beet. We're just gonna chiffonade him up nice and finely. Zucchini, poor guy. All right, bit of broccolini from last night's dinner. And then last of all, I'm just gonna put some coriander in there. Now, what we need to do is we need to salt this mix. By putting the salt on, it's gonna draw all the moisture out of those vegetables and season it at the same time. So now it's time to make our batter for our fritters, and we're gonna add heaps of flavor to this. We're gonna start with chickpea flour, and to that we're going to add some salt, some cumin, some paprika, some cayenne pepper, and some turmeric. Make sure all those spices are really well incorporated. We're going to add some water to our chickpea flour. All right, as you can see, we've got a nice batter here now. Now the messy part starts. We need to squeeze these vegetables and put them into here. So you'll see how much moisture actually comes out of them. So you want to make them as dry as possible. And we're going to fold those vegetables through the batter. And that is our fritter batter, all completed. So I've just got a little bit of olive oil here into the pan. All right, now we're going to slowly let this fry up here. Whilst we're doing that, we're going to make the ranch dressing. So we have sour cream and yogurt. A couple of spoonfuls of each in the bowl. And then we're going to take some dill. In we go. And the juice of a lemon. When you roast your garlic like this, it keeps all of the flavour. It takes on a real sweetness, but a real depth as well. And all we're going to do is squeeze that into there and give it a really good mix. That is our ranch done. So now our fritter, that can come out onto some paper towel. And then I'm just going to quickly, in the same pan, add some lovely spinach. Whilst we're doing that, let's put our fritter on the plate. Spinach on top, and then we're going to top that with our poached eggs. And then we'll finish that with our roasted garlic ranch dressing. So that's the Veggie Crisper Fritter with poached eggs and spinach.